occasion of Eid, I extend my heartfelt wishes you and your family.
May this Eid bring blessing for the entire humanity. Eid Mubarak.
May Allah's blessing be with you today, tomorrow and continuously.
This Eid be grateful to Allah for all of His heavenly blessings on us. Wishing you a happy Eid.
May Allah brings your pleasure, joy, peace as well as prosperity on this blessed event.
Wishing you all the best for your future on the occasion of Eid.
Hey everyone, on this special occasion, may Allah bless your days with happiness, your weeks with prosperity, your years with peace and love. Have a wonderful Eid with your loved ones. Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. May all our hardship get replaced by peace. May our faith in Allah get stronger with each passing day. Happy Eid Mubarak to all.
Assalamu alaikum. May this beautiful occasion of Eid gives you all the reasons to make your life even more better. Wishing you a happy Eid.
Wishing you all a healthy life with boundless happiness.
Wishing you a delightful Eid. Smile, eat, spread love, and most importantly, thank Allah for allowing us to experience another Eid. Happy Eid Mubarak.
May the goodness and joys of Eid are multiplied millions of times to bring happiness in your life. I wish Eid Mubarak to all my family friends, students, staff members and all the Muslims around the world.
Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak to everyone. May you all have an extremely satisfied and blessed Eid. Take pleasure in those outstanding days and remember those that need our help. Thank you.
Wishing you a day full of festivity and blessing.
Eid Mubarak!